got 2,500 profiles, new profiles coming up there every single day. I mean, that's a lot of profiles to get through. I mean, you're going to have a high incidence of repetitive strain injury happening, I think, so agency is not going to happen. So what we've done, we're looking at creating an application that'll help you find your right match, get yourselves lucky, and I'm going to swipe right to my colleague, Rachel, who's going to take you through the next part.
Thank you. Right, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about the service that we're offering. In approaching this task, we thought it was prudent to think about this through a lens of who are we in actually solving this task. And we decided that we were a European public procurement specialist who would be advising our clients, which are any company who is interested in taking up our service in expertise of the public procurement market. So we can advise them based on our analysis, what is the best methods, what are the best kind of opportunities coming up for work available. So our benefits are that we can streamline this data that we've analysed to our clients so that they can quickly and effectively get the right information for them so that they can be matched to the opportunities that are available. So this is just about how we approached the task. We had a look at what it involved. We brainstormed the various solutions as a team that we were going to deliver. We had a look at the different TED data sources, which is TEnDers Electronic Daily, and Dougal is going to talk you through that in a minute about the quality or lack of quality that we found in those. We then looked at extracting and analysing the data, and now we're sharing our findings with you in our wonderful product that we hope you will be interested in.
So, as we've previously highlighted, there's a whole bunch of issues with the TED website, and the contracts on there actually missing a whole bunch of data. So we looked at what the proposed methodology was of extracting the data, which was using UiPath. We didn't think that was the most efficient way to go about this, so we came up with a very innovative solution, which was we made a TED account, and then we found the bulk XML download, which is both machine and human readable data. So once we had that, we then compared that with what's in the CSV, which was provided to us, what's in the HTML, which is the contract data, and looking at this showed a whole bunch of data quality issues, as you can see on the right-hand side, how all of the XML and the CSV is just missing. So that's usually because Bob in Norfolk County Council didn't fill out the pro forma to actually say the duration of the contract or put the information up there. So what we did was we took a random representative sample of the TEnDers and downloaded the XMLs, and that shows that we're able to probably take James an hour to go and download the whole year's worth of data and probably automate that, so we've got it all there. So once we pulled the data together, we built a dashboard of 3,000 TEnDers, and this is what that looks like. So this dashboard here is filterable by sector, service, date, and this is the art of the possible. We're able to integrate various different data sets, historical contracts awarded, budgets, do translation services, news, and open data trust to pull all this information together into one place. This then feeds into, so this is the back end to feed into our Tinder for TEnDers. And so Rachel will talk about that and how that's the front end.
So that's it. Our benefit is being able to quickly and effectively match with compatibility ratings our clients to the prospective work available.
Any questions?
So how does it actually do the matching? What's that?
Well, that's sort of future development, but we can...
That's proprietary algorithms.
So that's combining our client's pipeline data with benchmarking indices and openly available data and Parsons Open Data Trust to match your business profile of what you want to be able to tender for based on what's out there in the market.
Did you do any research as to whether this already exists?
Yes. So there are various companies using kind of technical analysis and different methods of doing this. I think our advantage is that we've used and analysed the data that's already been chosen as available to us. We've thought about working with companies, matching it to their indices, looking at pipeline work, really providing that kind of insight into project program management. We can look at kind of news items as to whether companies are looking for more work. We were talking about annual budgets, so there's a whole load of data that, in addition to what we've been given, that we want to bring in so that we can really give a true kind of reflection and advice to our companies as to how the market is going to change and what they might need to change their resources to match.
That's great, thank you.